Just do a little walk around video for you on the Dodge truck. Tailgate's got a little dent there, a couple dents there, but everything works fine. Does got some body damage on the door here. Tires are in pretty good shape. Got a lot of life on them. Got a little dent on the bumper. Overall, the inside's in really good shape. You got a little crack here, kind of where they all are. Dash is pretty good. Got a little bit of a crack there. Other than that, a couple little small fractures, but not the big missing pieces or anything. Get rid of that real quick for us. Cup holders all good, radio's all good, headliner's good, doesn't smell bad. Runs really good, it fired right up. No issues there. I cold started it fired up. I do see a couple of dents in the cab there. A little dent in the bumper there in the corner. But runs good. I drove it. It runs good. Transmission feels good. Nothing to worry about there. Thanks.